Hello everyone. Today I'm representing an application that uses the augmented reality technology for education. First of all, I want to define the augmented reality that includes a live direct or indirect view for a physical, real-world environment whose elements are augmented by computer-generated sensory. For example, there are input tools like sound, video, graphics, or GPS data. It is associated to be more general concepts that is called mediated reality, in which a view of reality is modified by a computer or other electronic devices. As a result, the technology functions by enriching one's current perception of reality. However, when we look at the virtual reality, we can notice that it replaces the real world with simulated one. Augmentation is conventionally in real time and in semantic context with environmental elements such as sports scores on TV during a match. With the help of advanced AR technology, so we can see that the information about the surrounding real world of the user becomes interactive and digitally manipulable. Artificial information about the environment and its object can be overlaid on the real world. So this application has been developed by an augmented reality expert company called Markscent. This application is named the BrainScan Augmented Reality Education app that is being offered for different app stores such as iOS and Android softwares. Also, Wright State University implements this application for an interactive 3D brain concentrate on their neuromedical imaging. Also, the main goal of using these kind of apps is to custom augmented reality education app to educate the medical clients for Wright State University. This application is helpful for teachers who can use these kinds of application for educating students who are interested in working in hospitals and knowing about the brain areas. Furthermore, teachers also could use it in the elementary, secondary, or high schools for the science lessons. For the special education teachers, it's helpful to use this app as well. Many students with different disabilities, such as the autism, behavioral disorders, ADHD, and learning disabilities, might be interested in this 3D technology. They can also interact with these kind of applications. As an easy example, teachers can use this app to explain the main functions of the human brain by allowing students to touch the brain areas using tablets and other devices. This application is offered for free for all users. It has some features of the UDL that includes a technology involvement, learning engagement, expanding knowledge, and shaping skills. It requires educators to build, support, and remove any possible barriers that might prevent students from learning. When users need to download this app, they will see what is called the PDF trackable sheet, where they can hold their device and scan this sheet to get 3D Brain and its relative representations. After downloading this app, there will be a quick instruction that include the track, orbit, tab, and begin. These instructions help users to get first idea of how they might use this application. Users need to hold the camera toward the trackable sheet. After holding the device, a 3D Brain will show up. They will now have two main options, the human performance and medicines. If they want to show their students the brain performance in humans or the researches that Wright State University does, they need to choose where they will have multiple choices, including the chemical markers, TMS, neurofeedback, displays, and brain connectivity. With some features of this application, it's also important to know that this application clarifies to its users the current researches and studies that the Wright State University is working on, which may require teachers to invest some efforts providing additional sheets and videos that would need to bring for them lessons. It's also significant to suggest that this application needs some improvements that include adding multiple features that could benefit the students with special needs at different grades.